reverse osmosis is made up of 3 filters. Its first stage system is a sediment filter, and that's this filter here I brought in. And this is a simple filter that you can physically see. It's kind of soft, fabric-like filter. It's got a lot of hair and threads. This grabs dirt and heavy solids out of water. It would be very interesting to show you what these look like sometimes when they come out after being used. Depending on the water, I will sometimes literally feel like I'm pulling it out of mud. It'll be water, but this, you could take your hand and it's mud on your hand.
Black, brown?
Black, brown. Literal, like whatever you think mud looks like.
And that's what's in the hard tube. And then you...
Yeah, so there's 3 stages. So there's, this is the first stage. So when the water goes into the filter, the first thing it hits is the sediment filter. The sediment filter grabs heavy dirt and solids out of the water.